Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 of the HTML tutorial. In this video we'll be covering templates, how to get free template from the internet. Since you know what is Bootstrap, you can download a free template and you can modify the style according to your own needs. So in this video we'll go to this particular link. I will leave the link of this website in the description below. You can click any of these particular link and you can find different templates for your projects. Based on your project need, you can download a particular template whichever you need. Here you can find more colorful templates. As you can see here, you have a very different template. You can download any template you want. It's totally dependent on you. For me, I will try to download this particular template here. This is a e-startup template, so I'm downloading this template. You can see I will move this folder to the desktop. I will right click and extract the files. I will open the folder and we will double click the index.html file here. As you can see here, the template works. It's a very nice and clean template. It looks very clean. There are images, there are animation, there are a lot of things in the template. It's free. You can see we downloaded the entire code of the file. Now if you want to explore the template, you need to just open your Sublime text and just drag the index file. As you can see here, this is the entire code of the page which you saw there. We'll spend few minutes on looking into the code. Don't panic by seeing a lot of codes below, because most of the things what you see here is known to you. For example, they are opening with a HTML tag, they are having a header tag, and there is a title, there is a meta tag which is used for the responsive design, and this is called a keyword tag, which means you can give keywords for your websites, which is used for search engine optimization. This is a description of your website, and this is called a link, a fav icon, which means I'll show the website side by side so that you can get an idea of what I'm saying. Which means this particular icon, what you see in the top, that is called as a fav icon. You can see the relation is called as icon. And they use Google font instead of the default Bootstrap font. They are using free fonts from Google. And you can see they are using a font called Roboto, they are using Open Sans, they are using Philosopher. So these are the fonts which they are using from Google. And here they are loading the Bootstrap file. In our previous example, if you look our previous file here, we are loading the Bootstrap file here by directly entering the website path. Instead, they are loading the file here from a local directory, which means this directory points to lib bootstrap css bootstrap.min.css. If you open this file, I will try to open in Notepad++. See, it looks very clumsy, but this is the entire source code of the Bootstrap styling file. Let's not worry about that for time being. So they are loading this particular file. In the same way, they are loading something called old carousel assets, CSS. They are loading a lot of files like this. And there is something called style.css, and the header section ends and the body section comes here. Here you can see there is a container, which means the entire content is pushed into this particular region. There is a header tag, which means this region, they are concentrating on this region. Try to move this, yes. they are concentrating on this region. As you can see here, they have something called E startup. They are using a span, which means they want to change the color of this particular E. And this is a link. You can see here they are using a tag. So this is a link. You can click. And these are nav items. Nav means a navigation bar. So here you can see home, about, features, screenshots, team, pricing, drop down, blog, contact. So if you click any of these items, it will navigate to the particular section. So these are nav bars which they designed. And if you scroll down, there is a section called, there is one more section here. This is ID hero. And here they use a header tag called welcome to e-startups. You can clearly see this header tag style is entirely different from what we had seen in the previous example. That's because they use stylings. They customize the font, they customize the color, they customize everything. So if you change anything, like for example, welcome to my website, if you change this, you can see the reflection here. You can see the entire theme changes, the text changes. You can write, have a nice day. Enjoy coding. As you can see, the content of the website changes according to our own wish. In the same way, you can edit the entire content, what you see here. Whatever content you want to edit here, you can edit. That's in your idea. You can edit the entire page, whatever content you see in white here. If you edit, it will be reflected in this particular page. If you want to delete a particular section, for example, if you don't want this entire region, you can delete the entire region. As you can see, it's starting with each startup. If you look closely, this is about us section. It is having here. This particular section has this links, list here. You can see the list here. So if you don't want the entire section, you can just click. It will show the start and stop of the section. You can press shift and you can click and delete the entire section. Now if you save and refresh the page, you can see the entire section is gone. This is how you can edit each and every template and modify the template according to your own wish. So that's it. Download your own template and try to edit your own template and try to modify it. If you have any doubt in modifying any section or any content, you can leave a comment below. If you want to read more about Bootstrap, you can go to the Bootstrap website and you can read how few things work. Like if you see here, we have something called a column and you have something called rows here. So these things you can read it there. So that's it. Let's see in the next video.